Good evening, India. Welcome back to BJ English News, where we bring you the latest headlines. DM orders probe into ABVP participation threats. Authorities are probing MJK College in Bettiah following allegations that students were threatened with a 10-mark deduction if they refused to attend a ABVP event. District Magistrate Dinesh Kumar emphasized that no educational institution should coerce students into political participation. After public backlash and a Zee News report, the college administration retracted the order. Principal Yogendra Samyak apologized for the confusion. The ABVP event scheduled for October 25th will now be optional. This incident has intensified discussions on the influence of politics in educational institutions, sparking concerns over academic freedom. Sahni clarifies VIP's undecided alliance for 2025 elections. VIP leader Mukesh Sahni, amid his Nishad Reservation Sankalp Yatra, addressed speculation regarding his party's alliances for the 2025 Bihar elections. Although his participation in the next government is certain, Sahni remains non-committable about siding with the NDA or Mahagathbandhan. His solo campaign, separate from RJD's Tejaswi Yadav, has fueled rumors of a possible alliance with the NDA. Sahni, however, focused on fighting for Nishad community rights, maintaining a neutral stance while emphasizing the party's role in the state's political future. His decision will shape the political landscape as elections near, drawing attention from both major alliances. JDU leader attacks Tejaswi amid Bihar by-elections. JDU leader Neeraj Kumar criticized RJD leader Tejaswi Yadav, calling him political fireworks that briefly shine before fading. Neeraj's remark followed RJD's controversial decision to field Subhash Yadav, accused in multiple scams in Jharkhand elections. He condemned RJD's candidate choice, questioning its commitment to clean politics, and contrasted Nitish Kumar's governance with Lalu Prasad Yadav's alleged corrupt practices. Tejaswi's camp has not officially responded, but tensions have escalated as political rhetoric intensifies ahead of the Bihar by-elections. This attack is likely to further deepen the growing rift between Bihar's ruling and opposition parties. Jaiswal praises BJP for Jammu and Kashmir election success. BJP Bihar President Dilip Jaiswal credited the Modi government for the successful conduct of elections in Jammu and Kashmir post Article 370 abrogation. Jaiswal criticized unnamed political rivals for compromising national interests and exploiting religion and caste for political gain. He emphasized that such individuals would neither be forgiven by the people nor by God. His remarks aim to highlight the BJP's commitment to national integrity, especially as Jharkhand elections approach, positioning the party as the guardian of national unity. The BJP is keen to maintain its narrative of strong governance and national security for upcoming elections. Bihar extends Chhath holidays after teachers' protests. The Bihar government extended the Chhath Mahaparv holidays by one day beginning November 6th after protest by teachers' unions. The original holiday scheduled from November 7th to 9th was extended to accommodate teachers observing the traditional Nahai Khai rituals. While the move has pacified some teachers, others remain dissatisfied, arguing that the holiday extension falls short of their full demands. The government's decision reflects its attempt to strike a balance between administrative needs and the cultural importance of the Chhath festival. Discussions with the teachers' unions are ongoing, indicating potential further negotiations over holidays policies.